This is the QRD2 remote control for the shades. If you recall, we saw this that gives you the ability to put it in the wall. It has a magnet so it holds there, but you can pull it out and carry it. We have a second one that is beige. So you've got two separate ones, but they're two different colors, so you can see which one you've got in your hand. They both operate exactly the same. They have the same labels on the back. One's crooked, the other one's a little bit better. So these operate with a Zigbee network, and sometimes that it also works through a cloud service. And if that cloud service is down because the internet is down or some kind of disruption, these may not work. So what to do? Well, a backup system. In the rack, we have an extra button. Wall controller, and this can be wall mounted at some point in the future, and it is a basic control. It has up, preset 1, preset 2, and down, and it has two different banks, so it can be programmed for different shades on this side or that side, but right now it's just programmed for one set of shades. As far as right now, it's controlling the overhead doors and on the west and the east windows. So west and east, this will override any problems that arises if the internet goes down or some other issue. So I'm going to push up, and the overhead doors are raising. It's not affecting the north, but the east just went up. So now I'm going to push preset 2, and now the shades are going to go to a lower setting, not all the way closed, but a lower setting. So that's what the preset does. But if for any reason these other remotes don't work or other issues, this is your fail-safe. You can always come here and open the shades. So you can open the doors and get on with whatever you have going on. Whether you have internet or any other issues, this will always work. Now then, the north windows will work when we get the wiring connected in the conduit outside. But right now they're not connecting on this network, on this hardwired network. And again, this is located in the rack, in the cabinet, and it is a backup if either of these don't work. Thank you for your continued interest in house-wide system design.